Just a heartbroken high heel 6-inch in the back of the nightclub sipping champagne. I don't trust any of these bitches I'm with in the back of the taxi sniffing some drunk calls, drunk text, drunk tease, drunk sex. I was looking for a man who's on the same page. Now it's back to the intro, back to the bar, to the Bentley, to the hotel, to my old ways. Oh, baby, would you really, baby, would you really go ahead and would you go ahead and just cry? Oh, I need you to, oh, I need you to, baby, would you really go ahead, cry those Oscar winners, yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna tell you about one of the many men. Name is irrelevant, height is irrelevant. He was a 1 out of 10. I wish that I knew it then. I'm still recovering, truly I'm vulnerable. I love a sentiment, quickly I opened up. I learned my lesson then, thought I was safe again. Thought he was innocent, I was so wrong. I can't deny I was stuck in a daze, a terrible phase. Who was convincing? No, very believable, the role that you played. So baby, would you really go ahead, cry those Oscar winners?
Hey guys, welcome to a new vlog. If you're joining for the first time, hi, it's your Swiss Melissa, and if you're regular, thank you for coming back to my channel. Honestly, I had no intention of showing my face on this video this week because it's been that kind of week. Yeah, anyways, it's a Thursday. Just got back home, passed through Nando's to get dinner. Yeah, and then got back home. Yeah, no, passed through Nando's and then also went to this shop along Arundel which sells vases because I got flowers from Mr. A. Yeah, so when I opened the door, when he picked me up, like there were flowers. So I think if you remember from last time, I didn't end up getting the vase because I didn't know very good. So I was like, you know what, we're going to get a vase today, and we did. So I want to put this in a vase. Yeah, I'm not keeping. No, I'm putting in the vase. Yeah. Anyways, I also removed my nails, but I won't get them done this week because I need them to, what do you call it, like the nail bed yachona ya chiki casterik, so I needed to heal. Probably I'll just get gels done until these recover, and then I'll get a new set. I think what contributed more is because nakawacha like nemaoko saka. Yeah, I just had to get rid of them. So yeah, let me put this baby in a vase, and then probably I'll pick it up on Saturday because I need to go get my nails done. Oh, I also undid my hair and relaxed it on my own, but I realized that my phone switched off while I was relaxing my hair. Actually, tanga because I'm sorry for so I didn't end up recording that. So yeah, I think that's all. Let me put this in the vase and then I'll pick you up on Saturday.
Fingers pinch my skin. I'm so hungry, I can't But I know if I eat, then I'll be in the bathroom on my knees. I hate the way my face is square. For this hourglass we all desire, I wear 3 corsets underneath. XL t-shirts, baggy jeans, so I don't have to stress. And I smoke this every day, so I cannot obsess. So how can I expect you to romance me, touch my body, baby? Don't want to take it off for you. I'm drifting away into the darkness. Ndizothatha ndibeke enkqolo mama, ubomi bunzima. I'll lift my head up high, open my eyes, and I will fly. I'm barely coping, I'm feeling close to
It looked like these two were made for each other. Yeah, this is the largest bouquet of flowers I've ever received from Mr. M. Now he has set a standard for himself he needs to keep up. Yeah, and anyway guys, I'll lift you up tomorrow.
Just a heartbroken high heel, 6-inch in the back of the nightclub, sipping champagne. I don't trust any of these bitches I'm with. In the back of the taxi, sniffing some drunk calls, drunk texts, drunk tears, drunk sex. I was looking for a man who's on the same page. Now it's back to the intro, back to the bar, to the Bentley, to the hotel, to my old ways. Oh, baby, would you really, baby, would you really go ahead and would you go ahead and just cry? Oh, I need you to, oh, I need you to, baby, would you really go ahead? I'm gonna tell you about one of the many men. Name is irrelevant, height is irrelevant. He was a 1 out of 10. I wish that I knew it then. I'm still recovering. Truly I'm vulnerable. I love a sentiment. Quickly I opened up. I learned my lesson then. Thought I was safe again. Thought he was innocent. I was so wrong. I can't deny I was stuck in a daze, a terrible phase. Who was convincing? No, very believable. The role that you played. So baby, would you really go?
Morning guys, we'll continue today in the vlog. Yeah, today it's a Saturday and I'm on my way to get my hair done finally. Yeah, although I'm a bit late, like for my appointment I had to wait for my help. Angachifana kushika na 8 and this is now almost 10 asata shika, so I'll meet here somewhere in Lompamaki, also end up back, which is fine. So yeah, let's go. And I'm back. Hi guys, finally back home. Got my hair done at last, and also my nails done. I just did like a gel overlay and in red, and also I did my toenails. I would have showed you, but I'm wearing socks right now. Yeah, so I decided to go with a sew-in instead of a wig. Yeah, because I should have taken a wig, and then you know what, let me just get a sew-in. At least I need to waking up every day and having to install a wig. So yeah, that was it. So I'm back home, and I passed through this shop just to top up on a few things that I was out of. Well, to tell you, there are just 3 things. So I got CeraVe blemish control. Yeah, I was out of this. I think that's only 1 week this year. And I also got glycolic acid, the exfoliating, brightening and soothing spray. I usually use the salicylic acid one. Yeah, so just wanted to try the glycolic acid. And also I got the ordinary glycolic acid. I'm sorry guys, I'm just eating grapes. I'm hungry. Yeah, I also got the glycolic acid toning solution. Yeah, pananshuruka pan mana away achitengesa ama socks like this. We're going for $4 for 4. So I got 4. One of the pairs I'm already wearing it because that salon was getting cold. Chando chanas, it's something else. I ended up wearing socks with slides in town. Yeah, it was either slaying or getting warm, and I chose to be warm. So yeah, that's all that I got from town. Right now, if you look at my bed, yeah, it's nice coming back to a clean house and folded clothes, but the struggle is having to put them away. So let me show you my bed. This is the current situation of my bed. I need to pack these clothes. Yeah, but one thing I like is that like she arranged like my clothes and that because I pull out clothes every day. So that's so at least I don't get that. So it's just a matter of taking those to the bed and putting them in their place, like Panama jeans, my work tops, then my formal trousers, these are skirts and these are formal trousers, and my any other day tops, and then any other day dresses and skirts as well as pants. So let me do that with you, and then yeah, I'm so hungry. I think I'm gonna go and make noodles and wait for Mr. M to get here so that we can Mr. M to get here so that I can start on dinner. I can start on dinner because I'm dry and I don't know the way around those tanks. So then we'll switch on the water for me, and then I'll start cooking. Yeah. Okay. What else? I think that's all. Let me put these clothes on while I still have the energy, or might end up sleeping on the couch. So long. I got my lashes done. I just thought about it, yeah. I also got my lashes done today. Yeah, so let me finish up. And also, I don't put like things on this shelf because I can't reach even this side as well. As much as it's Mr. M side, I'm the one. As much as it's Mr. M side, I'm the one. So it doesn't make sense for me to put things where I can't reach. So I'll put them like yeah, even though he's taller. So even in the kitchen, I don't put anything on the top shelves which I don't reach, because what's the point?
Only cool selling season. Oh, no, no, no. Oh, no, no, no. I'm drifting away into the darkness. Umthwalo ndibeke